Hi everyone, this is Megan and I have a buttercream tip for you today. This one goes out to all of the procrastinators and the last minute order takers. I am making some buttercream and half of my butter was not room temperature yet. It was still chilled. So I'm going to show you what I do to fix that problem ASAP. Here we have the buttercream that I'm making right now. I had 2 sticks that were room temp of my vegan butter, and I had 2 sticks straight from the fridge. And what I did is I went ahead and creamed the 2 room temperature sticks, and then I cut the 2 cold ones into 1/2-inch chunks and threw them in and started to cream those as well. But as you can see, when you have cold butter and you try to cream it, it just sticks on the sides of your bowl and it doesn't really do anything. So my tip for you today, this guy right here. If he's gonna light for me. There we go. This is a cheap little blowtorch that I got in the plumbing section of Walmart. I think I got it for like $6. I'm going to show you what I do. So I'm going to turn the mixer up to medium. I'm going to turn on. And we're going to warm the bowl. And as you can see, it's pulling the butter from the side. It's melting a little bit there, but that's okay because the butter that's super cold will re-solidify it. And look at that. Look how creamy it's getting in there, guys. Butter straight from the fridge. And this has been my buttercream TED Talk for the day.